Welcome back. This is Roy, and here's my brother, Eric. Yeah, he's hiding. Oh shit! All right. He's getting ready to do an oil change on his 2010 Triumph. Of course, he's never organized. This is gonna be good.
You're gonna be taking a lot of reshots. We're gonna do some serious editing.
I'm not even gonna edit this. I'm just gonna put it right up. Boom. No editing. Going straight up.
Yeah.
So let's see here. Gotta remember. So he's got to take the skid plate off first there. It's only held down by 2 bolts in the front, 2 bolts on the underneath with a little hanger. Yep.
The good part is that it does underneath the front part of the bike good.
Yep.
Is it, I didn't even see what size it was.
I don't know either.
You could wait till me.
Just make sure when you always, there you go, change your crush washers when you're changing oil. Because if you don't, you'll have a little issue just like he's got right now. It's dripping a little bit of oil down there. You know, you could supposedly you could reuse them every now and then, but they don't cost that much. Just buy a package and get some new ones. How long does it take to do an oil change?
I know what's stopping it now.
What?
Because my kickstand's out.
Oh!
The kickstand's stopping from
Yeah. Yeah, we'll be back in another hour to see if he gets the, filter on. All right. Well, we're back, an hour later, and he's got the drain plugged back in with a new crush washer. He's got the, when you put your filter in, always, make sure you rub a little oil around the rubber ring and fill up your filter a little bit so it soaks in so you don't do a dry start. He's got the filter back on. Now, it's going to take another hour or so for him to put, the oil in. So, we'll be back. Back here, amateur hour here, and how long did it take to put 4 quarts, of oil in? We'll be back.
Supposedly that's some of the best stuff out there, but man, that bottle's a pain in the ass.
Liquid Molly, yeah. So he's finally got 3.5 quarts in there.
6 hours later.
6 hours later, yeah. So he's got 3.5 in there. He's going to start the bike, let it run for 30 seconds or so, and then check the oil again. Yeah.
I should make you start. You're the old man. Fucking greased all over it.
Yep. I'm the filmer.
Filmer.
Yep, and you've gone down. So, you went down. So, that's about all you need to do, really. Okay. Yep. And now, I just checked the sight glass and, I don't know, but you're below the bottom mark now. So
now I gotta add a little more, huh?
so then you add a little bit more. If you take a look for yourself to make sure, you know.
I will.
So, and we'll be back. He's finally put all the oil in. He's got probably maybe a quarter of a quart left, and everything's hunky dory. Now all he's got to do is put his oh geez, what do you call that? The cover there.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
Skid plate.
Yeah, your skid plate back on. There you go. And he's all done with his oil change.
Should put recommendations on there. Don't buy oil like this. Buy my independent quarts.
Yeah, you know, it's hard to pour, you know, a big gallon jug there. Plus, make sure you have the right funnel. So you don't have to hold it there and hopefully don't spill it all over the motor. You know, get a longer funnel, maybe a flexible end or something to stick in there because it's hard to pour and hold the funnel and the oil at the same time and not spill it all over the motor. Just a little note, you know. But, you know, we're not no professionals here. Well, one of us anyway, so is not. And, but, you know, yeah. So that's it. He's going to put that back on, and I think he's going to, you know, clean and lube up his chain. And other than that, he's all set for...
Yeah, this one's ready.
All set for the spring. Hopefully in a couple weeks. So...
Hopefully today.
So... Alright, alright. We're back again. How many state workers does it take to put a skid plate back on a, you know, Triumph here? 4 bolts, but, you know, a little complicated.
This skid plate was terrible.
So he's almost all done here. So if you like this, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell so you're notified of my next video. All right, later, bye.